I'm going to show you how to put a customer chat plugin on your WordPress website. So we're in Chat Fuel right now. In Chat Fuel, all you're going to do is click Grow and Enable. Paste in your domain, here in my case, mindheroes.com, and we're going to choose a message to send them to. Now, just so you know, the chat bubble or the live chat on your site, you cannot use a gallery. It's a Facebook limitation, not Chat Fuel or ManyChat. So instead, most often we use quick replies. Now in ManyChat, just go to Growth Tools, New Growth Tool, and Customer Chat. Once you do that, you're going to set up your message. And then same thing, you're going to authorize your website. So whatever your domain is. Okay, so we're going to add that and then install the ManyChat snippet. And you're going to paste it into the head of your website. So copy the code and jump over to your WordPress site. Now, a lot of WordPress themes actually allow you to put code in the head without going into the head itself. In my case, my Genesis theme, what we're going to do is go to Genesis and paste into the header scripts. Now, if your theme doesn't allow you to do this, you can always go down into Appearance and Editor. If you're not comfortable editing the code itself, there are plugins that let you do this. Okay? In this case, I'm going to go over and I've got to find the file called header.php. And automatically it should select your current theme. In this case, I have a parent theme and a child theme. So here's header.php. Okay, so it says theme header, and underneath what you're looking for is header.php. Usually, you can paste the code directly in. Now, in this case, you can see that there's a tag that says $PHP. We can't paste the script, the code that we have, inside of that. Either paste it before, or what we have to do is close the tag with an ending tag. Oops. Nope. There we go. And that's it. Oops. And yeah, I knew that didn't look right. I don't know. I'm just not thinking. So all it is, the closing tag for PHP is that. And then we can paste our code after, and it should be fine. But if you don't want to do that, then go ahead and you can use a plugin that will help you just insert the code. The last option that we have is this. If you only want it on certain pages, right? Like let's say you only want it on the home page. Normally your theme is going to have something called front-page.php. We can also go into here, and again, same deal. So there's an open tag. So this PHP, we either have to close that tag or we have to paste it in above that tag. Okay? If this is too complicated, again, I highly suggest using a plugin to do this. And, you know, that way you'll make sure that it's easier for you. And, you know, as long as I'm doing this, there is one last way we can do this. If your theme has widgets in your header, so for example, this header, I know that this appears across my whole site. Now, it may not appear on some of your landing pages if you've taken off the header or your theme has. So that's maybe one downside of doing it like this. But we can add in a widget text, so it doesn't matter where. So add in text here, and then don't put anything in the title. Just make sure you switch over to text and paste in your code. All right, so you've got like 3 or 4 ways then that you can get the widget on your site. And once you do and pick one of those, you can see here, what in the world is going on? Something funky happened. Well, nothing should have, because I didn't actually change any code. But anyway, so I'm gonna go fix my site. But you can see the widget does show up here, and you're good to go. Cheers, guys.